AI documentation assistant. This AI assistant comes with a dedicated view. You can find it in a Parasoft menu and in the show view many option. And there is AI assistant entry, which brings this view. I will discuss the configuration in a moment, but right now, just to make sure we all understand the value, let's try several different scenarios. Let's assume I'm a new user. I just installed C++ test. I'm not a great fan of browsing documentation, and I want to know how do I suppress static analysis violation. So I can simply type a question, and this question is now analyzed, and here is my response. And as you can see, I get a concise response, step by step, explaining what are my options for suppressing static analysis violations, and then for each type of suppressions, I get instructions how to do it. There is a way to suppress violations using suppression files, and here it even gives me an example of the format, how the suppression entry looks like. There are suppressions in the source code, and it also gives me examples how to do it. There are suppressions with regular expressions. Not many users are familiar with it. And there are some test configuration settings to control suppressions. And at the end, we get the links to our documentation that provide more details. So let's try one more example. How do I generate unit test cases? And as you can see, again, we get step-by-step instructions that we need to go to test configurations. We need to select one of the built-in test configurations. We need to duplicate the configuration. And we have options explained that control the test cases generation. So for a new user, that's an excellent step-by-step guidance how to use a feature of a tool. And let's try maybe one more example, maybe something more complicated. These were two basic examples. What are the, say, CLI options for customizing reports? And in a minute, we'll get a beautiful list of options extracted from the documentation that will help us in customizing report. Again, in 20 seconds without browsing a documentation. So I think that's all I wanted to share regarding this feature.